In Recap Pro 2027, classifications can now be seamlessly transferred from the desktop environment into the mesh editor, creating a more connected and efficient workflow between point cloud processing and mesh-based editing. Once classifications are defined in the Recap Pro workspace, those same structured categories are preserved and made available when working within the mesh editor. This means that objects or regions identified and classified on the desktop, such as walls, floors, utilities, and entire levels, can be directly recognized within the mesh environment without needing to reclassify them. As a result, users can continue refining, editing, or analyzing their mesh data while maintaining the same organizational structure and metadata established earlier in the workflow. Classification templates in the Template Manager in Recap Pro 2027 introduce a more structured and scalable way to organize and standardize reality capture data. Within classification templates, users can define consistent categories for objects within their point clouds or mesh data, such as architectural elements, utilities, and other assets, ensuring that information is organized in a meaningful and repeatable way across projects. The Template Manager builds on this by providing a centralized place to create, manage, and reuse these templates. These templates can be easily imported and exported, making it simple to share them across teams, offices, or even external partners. In addition, support for IFC export allows this classification data to be carried into other workflows, ensuring that structured information from Recap Pro can be shared and used seamlessly.